Some people prefer to remove this bolt, but because it's an Allen bolt, they're quite prone to rusting. I did have a 4-foot breaker bar on this, and it did not want to come out, so I chose to go the other method, which is to tap out the pin at the bottom, and you can rotate the caliper up and replace the pads as we're about to do. If you can't get this little pin out or it snaps when you're trying to remove it, you can tap out the little shaft and the pin will just disintegrate because it's not very strong. One side did snap, and that's the method I used, so you shouldn't have any problems. As your brake pads wear, obviously they're going to get thinner, so the piston in the caliper comes out more and more to compensate for this. Now that we're putting in brand new pads, we've got to reset the piston. I've done these particular calipers on a different car before, and I know that the piston will go in very easily on these calipers. However, if you're doing this on a bigger car, you might want to use a caliper rewind tool. However, on this car, I have actually pushed the piston in with my thumbs before because it's so easy to do. But in this case, I used a hammer just to get a little bit of leverage. Generally speaking, it's not the most professional thing to do, but I'm not putting any real power on it, so it's not going to cause any damage.